You guys have asked, and now we're here to deliver. Introducing our hands-off pre-wash snow foam. This right here is our hands-off pre-wash snow foam, which you can use on your vehicle before water even lands on your car. This right here is designed to be an additional step that you can take to even furthermore achieve a deeper clean. This pre-wash is going to help you achieve a much better clean in the sense that this is going to start breaking down even heavier dirt, grime, contaminants, things like salt, snow buildup, whatever it is, bug splatter on the front of your vehicle before you even start wiping it down. Now, for those of you guys asking, why would I even want to use that in the first place? Well, the simple theory is less dirt and contamination on your car before you start scrubbing it, the less chance for scratches and swirls. And it's even powered by an advanced alkaline cleaning formula that's going to tackle the heavy dirt and grime where you need it most. Now, without further ado, let's show you how fun and exciting it is to wash your car with our hands-off pre-wash snow foam. Boom! As opposed to a standard car wash where you start off by first rinsing off the vehicle, with hands-off pre-wash snow foam, you kick it straight into the action with the foam. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do now is you're gonna wanna get your bottle of hands-off pre-wash snow foam, and you're gonna wanna add about 3 ounces into a foam cannon or a foam blaster like so. 1, 2, 3. Once you're done with that, simply put the foam cannon nozzle back on there, tighten it up, and now you're ready for the fun. So we have our foam cannon connected to our pressure washer gun. Now we can go ahead and start by foaming it up. But one thing I do want to keep in mind is whenever you apply this product to the vehicle, you want to give it enough dwell time for it to break down heavy dirt, grime, buildup, mud, salt, snow splatter, whatever it is that's sitting on your vehicle. You want to let the foam sit and do its job for about 3 to 5 minutes before you rinse it off. All right, guys, as you can see, this pre-wash snow foam lays down thick with 2 C's, and that's for a reason, right? The reason for that is for it to give it enough dwell time for it to melt away all the embedded contamination sitting on your vehicle. All that dirt, all that grime, all that salt buildup. This pre-wash is literally just melting all that stuff away. All right, guys, so the foam's been sitting on the vehicle for about 5 minutes now. You guys saw the foam breaking down all the dirt, all the grime, all the mud, literally everything that was on the vehicle. And now all that there's left to do is to rinse it off. But after I rinse it off, stay tuned because then we're gonna be going over what to do next. So we just finished rinsing off the vehicle. Now it's time to talk about what to do next. Now, if you are happy with the results that you got just by using the pre-wash snow foam and you want to just dry it and call it a day, but for those of you guys that want to ensure that your vehicle is absolutely clean 100%, we're still going to go ahead and wipe it down using our 2-bucket method. So like I said, the pre-wash did like a lot of the job for us, but we're still going to go ahead and go with our contact wash to make sure there's no dirt or grime that maybe not visible to the eye right now because the car is wet, but once you start drying your car, you're going to start noticing like dirt and grime, and you obviously don't want to be grinding that into your paintwork. So we're going to have our 2-bucket method right here, 2 dirt traps. You guys already know the deal. Just go ahead and dunk those in at an angle, set them down flat. 1, 2. If you did just want to do the contact wash without having to foam the vehicle, go for it. But in this case, I'm actually just going to go ahead and refoam it just for added lubrication and cleaning power. And this right here, I'm actually going to save. I'm going to add it to my soap bucket just for some added cleaning power and lubrication. And also so we're not wasting it. And we're just going to go ahead and get some fresh, clean water. And we're going to be using our Maxi-Suds car wash soap for our contact wash. So this one's great because it's high foaming, it's super slick, and it's going to allow you to just go ahead and glide your wash mitt left and right, up and down, all over your vehicle without scratching it up. And just because I don't need to go crazy with it, I'm not even going to go with the full 2 ounces. I'm just going to go ahead and go like a 1.5 squirts. And as you can see, I'm not even filling up the bottle because, we don't need to go crazy right now. We're not, we don't want to go super crazy with the foam and like spray a super thick shaving cream layer of foam all over the vehicle. We just want to get some lubrication on there. That when we glide our wash mitt, it's nice and safe to do. So I'm going to go ahead and foam it, give it that final wipe down, rinse it, dry it, and show you guys the final results. Let's go. Wow. And that's how easy it is to achieve a premium clean with their all new hands-off pre-wash snow foam. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos and product drops. And if you guys want to pick up this very product here today, make sure to visit our website, chemicalguys.com, or swing by our local detail garage store. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you on the next one. Boom.